OSMO Pocket 3 First Use. In this video, we will walk you through the settings and basic operations needed during your first use of OSMO Pocket 3. OSMO Pocket 3 comes in two packages, the Standard Combo and Creator Combo. Both combos come with an OSMO Pocket 3 handle with 1/4-inch thread. Fit the handle into the Type-C port on the bottom of the gimbal camera, and fasten the two clips on both sides to complete the installation, enhancing the grip of the device. Rotate the screen to power on OSMO Pocket 3, and select your preferred language. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen to download and install DJI Mimo. Register and log into your DJI Mimo account. Enable your phone's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and positioning settings, and launch DJI Mimo. On the Mimo homepage, tap on Device on the upper left corner. Search for the Wi-Fi name displayed on the OSMO Pocket 3 screen, and tap to connect. Tap to activate your device. Upon successful activation, a notification will be prompted in the Mimo interface, provided that the network is functioning properly. At the time of activation, you have the option to add DJI Care Refresh and Comprehensive Accident Protection Plan. OSMO Pocket 3 defaults to be in recording mode. Insert an SD card, press the record button to start video recording, and press it again to stop recording. Swipe the screen to the right to access the playback interface, where the most recent recorded video will automatically start playing. Tap the pause icon and swipe right again to choose whether to favorite or delete the video. Swipe left on the screen or press the joystick once to return to the shooting interface. Rotating the screen again will automatically power off your OSMO Pocket 3. When the device is off, the gimbal axes are locked to prevent damage from gimbal movement. After use, you can charge the OSMO Pocket 3 using the Type-C to Type-C PD cable. The DJI Mic 2 TX provided in the Creator Combo, when powered on, automatically pairs with the OSMO Pocket 3 for audio recording. Attach the wide-angle lens to the front of the OSMO Pocket 3 camera to expand the field of view to 108 degrees. For everyday storage, you can also place the locked OSMO Pocket 3 with the screen facing inward in the protective case or carrying bag.